What's going on? We are back once again, this time with the July MotoDLVRD subscription box. It's been a little while since we've seen you guys, but let's check out what's inside this month's box. All right, this one looks packed full of stuff, so let's take a look what we've got inside. First up, we've got a few nutritional goodies from the team over at P&G. We've featured them in the past, but with different products. This right here is their newest watermelon cucumber gel. These are great for out on the track, along with the electrolytes. You can toss these electrolytes inside your water bottle, again, to help combat the dehydration during the summer. We all know we're sweating a ton out on the track. It's, you know, over 100 and some degrees here in California. Not sure where you're at, if you're dealing with humidity. It's a nightmare. So you want to have things like this on hand when you don't feel like eating, you might be exhausted. These are easy to slam. This is more of a gel form. Toss that in, that's going to replace some of the sugars and things like that you need. Again, this one has the electrolytes, going to keep you from dehydrating out on the track. So both of those are some goodies you can bring with you, throw along in your gear bag. Next up, we've got a decal here from Fast House. Just a little thing to throw on your truck, your car, your cell phone, what have you. Next up, we've got the Moto is Better limited edition MotoDLVRD water bottle here. This is aluminum construction, just kind of a reusable water bottle for you to take, you know, reasonable size. And you can actually throw those electrolytes in here if you want. Just take that out to the track, make sure you don't burn yourself out while you're putting in some laps. So there's that. Next up, we've got the 32 ouncer of the Maxima Bio Wash. This comes, of course, with the attached spray nozzle at the top. This stuff is great for knocking off any grit or grime on your bike, any loose dirt. What I do is typically pressure wash your bike, mix this in with some water. You can even toss this into your pressure washer to soak down the bike with. It's gonna help break down some of the grease that's built up on your bike and knock off any loose dirt. So this Bio Wash is great stuff, biodegradable, not going to poison the earth in the process. So Maxima Bio Wash, that's the next one in there. Next up, we've got this reusable bag from Fast House. Again, kind of a multi-use bag. You could toss anything in here, whether it's your groceries, used gear after you're done with it. If you don't want to stink up your gear bag after sweating all day in your gear, maybe you got mud on everything. It's a good little reusable bag from Fast House. And then last but not least, we've got the Speedster t-shirt. This is in like a cream color, kind of a cool navy blue and maroon FH logo on there. And this awesome old school looking helmet graphic on the back. We did two different types of shirt designs this month. We did this one, which is called the Speedster, and a secondary shirt called the Seeker. So that's more of like a black with a icon on the front, similar style to this, but both are very cool designs from Fast House. So that was our box for July. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Again, we come out with these every month to show you what's inside our monthly boxes. If you have not yet signed up and you want to, use the code FIRST10. That's going to give you 10% off your month-to-month subscription. And again, you can cancel that month-to-month option anytime. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you later.